everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Today, we'll be trying some instant congee or instant joke here in Thailand. Here is the cup. It's hard to see. Sorry about that. And I even purchased some Chinese herb boiled eggs. As you know from my last video of the joke I made in my room, I could not eat that egg. But I saw these guys, and within some attempt of redemption, I thought that I would buy one of these. Now, I am not sure how this is going to go. And, oh, here we go. All right. We have our egg. I got a spoon to cut the egg. Okay. Not pretty, but when you don't have proper utensils, you do what you can, right? Instant joke, just add water, stir, add a little more water, stir, wait 5 or 6 minutes or whatever until it all kind of steeps together, and then you're ready to eat. Okay. All right, let's take a bite. Take a hit, sip, bite. This is a pork mixed with seaweed flavored joke, and so it tastes fine actually. You can see the seaweed right here, yeah, and then you can see the here's my egg. Not a bad combination. Like we always say, if you see it, buy it, try it, and we hope you like it. Take care wherever you are, and have a great day. And I will see you again real soon. Cheers and goodbye.